everyone, welcome. Today I will show you how to get grainy effect in Photoshop. So let's start. I have a picture I've made of Eric. It was a really easy picture, I will say, but I liked a lot. I already made an adjustment on Lightroom and I turned it in black and white. I liked a lot. What I want to do it today is to show you how to get grain picture as a film roll effect. So directly on Photoshop. So we could do it directly adding grain in Lightroom. As you can see, you can get this effect from this to this. But I want to show you an alternative way. So the first things I will do it is to denoise. So if you have the new version of Lightroom, you can denoise the pictures. And the first things I will do it just an amount of 40 here and just denoising the picture. After that, and then here we have the picture. And then first things we go to Adobe Photoshop with this picture, creating a copy of this layer. We just create a new level on the top of that, and we go to edit and fill, and then you can fill with the gray 50% and go to filter, okay, grain, and then add grain, and then choose the amount of grain you wanna put inside of it. Okay, you can choose between uniform and Gaussian. I will use Gaussian in this case, 23.62, and then just layer mode, choose the best that fit for you, and then you can work with opacity, okay, and choose the best way to get your grain. That's perfect. I will add also like more dust in the picture, so like this, okay, and then you can just actually Command S and save and go back to Lightroom. Here we have picture, and you can just make some last adjustment, I will say, to finish to post-produce your picture. I will add just a bit more details and texture. I like, when pictures are really grainy, they affect me so much. Let's just work a bit on the curve. Here is, we have our picture. Perfect. Yeah. I love it. So if you like this tutorial, let me know in the comment below, and please subscribe and click like to this video. It will be really helpful for the studio, and we will see in the next tutorial. Bye.